Love spreadsheets and want to take your stock screening results to the next level? Start by logging into BetterInvesting's member homepage. Then, in the upper right hand corner where it says Online Tools, click on that magnifying glass. It will take you to the Screening and Stock Ideas tool. Use one of our predefined screens or create your own screen with the custom search criteria to filter for companies that meet your investment style. I'll choose our A-list stock screen. Once your results are ready, scroll down and click Export as CSV, which is here at the top of the list, and that file will download to your computer and be ready to open in Excel, Google Sheets, or Numbers. From here, you can sort, filter, compare, and dig into the data, perfect for the spreadsheet-loving investor. It's simple, powerful, and a little bit nerdy, but in the best way.